I got heat stroking them, it broke. 2 black eyes from all the smoke, and a bouncer sent me home, cause he found my bag of coke. I went full send all week.
1, 2, 3.
Day of summer's end. The day of summer's end. So come on in, Major Tom, you've been away from her too long. Got cold beer in the fridge and it's time to write a song. You made a bet, got into debt, smoked too many cigarettes. So I sit down with my guitar and I slide a couple of frets. Slide a couple of frets. You can't touch them, dealing with my own stuff. And I don't give up, 'cause I was built for tough. And a bad boy never learns. Right hook make your cheek turn. When I flick on that old turbo, you smell that rubber burn. Burn, 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 and burn. I got heat stroking them, it broke. 2 black eyes from all the smoke, and a bouncer sent me home, cause he found my bag of coke. I went full send all weekend, diving off the deep end. Goddamn, I'm looking forward to the day of summer's end.